Welcome students in the Raishwa Convent online classes. Today just we are going to study concept of sets for class 8 chapter number 1. Sets. What is a set? Set is a collection or group of well-defined distinct objects. Whether a particular object is a member of the collection. Set. What is a set? It is a collection or group of well-defined distinct objects. Whether a particular object is a member of the collection. For example, the set of rivers in India. Here we can say the set of vowels in the English alphabet. Okay, and set can be represented by two methods: tabular or roster, या rule method or set builder form. So it can be represented by tabular or roster, rule or set builder form. Roster method. The elements of the set are listed between brackets. Okay, the elements of a set are listed between brackets. That is set of odd numbers between 10 and 20. We have to write. We can take an example. Set of odd numbers between 10 and 20. Okay, that is 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. These are the set of odd numbers between 10 and 20. Now just some symbols and meaning you should remember. X is an element of a member of set A. If it is given like that, it is a member of set A. X is not a member of A. A is equal to B means A and B are equal sets. N of A, it means number of distinct member of A. And the last, A is equivalent, A and B are equivalent to each other. That is N of A is equal to N of B. Now we will start exercise. Exercise 1A. Okay. Here they had given you a question there. Question number 4. Okay, we will start with the, question number 3rd. We will start with the question number 3rd. Write the following sets in roster method as well as rule method. Okay, first question is the set of letters of the word terracotta. Okay, so first we will write down in roster, the roster method. So A is equal to T E R A C O. Why I am not writing other numbers? Because it is a repeated terms in which the repeated terms are not used, only single. The letters are used only one at a time. In the rule method, it is given by A equal to X such that X is a letter of the word terracotta. Okay, now another question, just we will take it here. Write the following in set builder form. In set builder form. How you will solve in set builder form? They had given you question A E I O U. Okay, set builder form A E I O U. So it means that X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. Okay, got it? How to write down the set builder form? If it is given like that, so just you have to write down in this format. X such that X is a vowel of the English alphabet. Okay, now you have to find out. Next one, if it is given like that question, let P is equal to 1 minus 1. Okay, q is given x as z, x square equal to 4 x in z. Then if it is correct there, p is equivalent to q. See, we are having p equal to 1 and minus 1, and q is a square of 4. What is the term? Just we are using z. Z is denoted by that integers. Okay, so you can take it here 2 or minus 2. So it means that equivalent means number of cardinal numbers. So n of a is 1 and 1, 2, and n of p and n of q is 1 and 1, 2. It means that it is equivalent. It means that it is yes or true. P is equivalent to q. Like that we can solve questions.